All things considered, 2012 was a decent year for the pharmaceutical industry, and nowhere was that more evident than in the job numbers. Industry-wide, the long-term trend towards retrenchment and reduction eased. Sure, jobs were still cut, but the size and scope of those cuts were small relative to prior years. According to outplacement firm Challenger, Gray & Christmas, pharma sliced 14,000 positions in 2012 in the U.S. That ranked 16th among the 28 sectors they surveyed. That's down from 21,500 in 2011, 8th overall, and 53,000 in 2010, when pharma trailed only the government sector for its slashing ability. Whereas in years past, large-scale sales force layoffs dominated the news, 2012's layoffs tended to be smaller and focused around research and development or headquarters management staff. The largest layoff notice last year occurred at AstraZeneca, as it announced it would cut more than 7,000 jobs, mostly in sales and R&D. In other major moves, both Novartis and Roche announced major cuts at their New Jersey facilities, with Roche shuttering its Nutley facility. Conversely, Sanofi, Takeda, and Merck focused major reductions on Europe offices and facilities. Layoffs at Merck, Pfizer, Abbott, Takeda, and others reflect the ongoing efforts for many companies in the industry to restructure operations. More and more, we're hearing that positions in the U.S. and Europe were to be replaced by ones in emerging markets, especially China. See, for example, Roche, Sanofi, and Novartis. Even as the number of pink slips is dipping, there's little reason to believe it's over, or that the industry might actually start to grow in size again. As the economy improves and the lost decade of declining pipeline productivity is perhaps finally over, the industry is not done with its retrenchment and restructuring. For 2013 and beyond, the layoffs may be smaller in scale for pharma, but given the interest in emerging markets, reshaping R&D strategies, and of course M&As, I expect pharma to continue to shrink in the U.S. and Europe.